what you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paloma if you're new, and I make fashion and lifestyle videos, little vlogs here and then. So yes guys, I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. I haven't done a haul in so long, and I'm super excited to do this one. I just ordered a bunch of things, so I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys and showing you guys what I got, and probably try some things on for you guys. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, guys. So let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna start off opening this, and I know what this is already, but we're gonna look at it together. And I bought these because I've been drinking tea a lot. I'm not gonna open both of them. I've been drinking tea a lot, and I wanted it to be like super cute when I drink it. And I found these, and they're so cute. I'm just gonna be throwing this stuff on the floor. But look at, oh, so this is like my first reaction to everything, by the way. But oh my god, this is so cute. No, this is so cute. It's like, it's not real glass, it's fake glass, but look how cute is it? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. I'm gonna be drinking my tea in style now, or if I wanna make some coffee. I've been drinking, well, it's actual tea too. I've been drinking the chai tea latte a lot, so I can't wait. I'm gonna be like, but yeah, this is super cute, and I love it. I love that I bought this, and I can't wait to drink my tea later on tonight. Okay, I don't know what this is, but let's open it. Oh, my straws! How exciting! Hopefully I'm not opening it the wrong way. So I ordered some glass straws just because they're super cute, one, and they're like aesthetically pleasing, and I feel like it's better this way because you actually see if there's like junk and like that, all that nasty stuff that's in there, so you can just clean it and make sure you're like drinking out of a clean straw instead of like a dirty one that you don't know what the hell is in there. So these are super cute. It came like in little just regular straws like this. It came with the little cleaning spoolie, and then it also came with these straws right here, the little straws like these. So this is so cute. I love this. I love little kitchen things like this, and I can't wait to, I'm gonna have to make some iced coffee later. I haven't drank as, oh my god, I can't even talk. I haven't drank iced coffee in so long, and I feel like I need one just because I want to test these straws out. All right, let's see what else is in this box. What is this? So this is called electric milk frother. I think I'm saying it right. But I bought this because, like I said, I've been drinking a lot of tea, and I got obsessed with the pumpkin chai tea latte from Starbucks, but it's like way too expensive. So I was just looking at ways to make it at home and the best way possible. So I bought this, and it's like a little frother. So once you make your little like topping or whatever, so I can make like the pumpkin sweet foam. So I'm gonna be using this, and it's just gonna like and like make it all foamy and stuff. So it's better than blending it. I actually been blending it at home, but this is gonna make it so much easier. So I can't wait to use this, guys. And I will have a video up probably showing you guys how I make my tea at home, just so if you guys are interested and don't want to spend $6-7 a day on Starbucks, yeah. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. That's silver, and it's just like super simple and cute. I can't wait to test it out. Let's move on to the clothes part, because I only got a couple things, but I did get some activewear things. So let's show you guys what I got. So these are actually panties, and I forgot what video I seen, or what was their name on YouTube, but I seen these girls and they were posting like a bunch of activewear stuff, and I was like, oh my god, like everything looks so cute. So they said these panties are really good for the gym, so I ordered these like thong panties, because you know when you go to the gym and you're wearing regular panties under tights, like it just makes everything look weird. So we want to be cozy. So it came with navy blue pair, like brownish pair, and then like a off-white-ish pair. And the cool thing about this is that, you know, cotton is really good for you down there. So the panty material, it's spandex, so as you can see it's really stretchy, but the inside right here is cotton, so it's gonna be good for your little, you know, your little hoo-ha down there. So this is super cute and perfect. I ordered them in a size large because, you know, your girl's a little thick or whatever. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these and put these on at the gym. I'm definitely gonna order more if these come in handy, but I think they will because the texture and just like they feel amazing already. So super excited to wear these. All right, what's in here? These are some leggings from Amazon. And if you guys have any activewear that you guys already have purchased on Amazon or wanna spread the love, spread the word, please let me know in the comments below, or just tag some activewear where I can tag the links for the activewear where I can purchase it on Amazon, because I've been looking on Amazon just to like purchase different activewear and try different things out. So if you have good links, just link them below, please. So these are, oh, these are cute. These are some black tights, just some regular black tights, and they look like they're pretty long. Oh, they're stretchy, nice. So they have like that, what is it? That thing everybody loves, that little shaping thing where it's like, it forms your booty and it has a little underscoop right here. These are super cute. I'm gonna try them on for you guys in a bit. I got these in a size medium. I believe I got everything in a size medium, but these look super nice and comfortable. They look like they're squat proof. And yeah, we're gonna try them on and show you guys. Oh, they might be see-through, I'm not sure. But then I got these, cute. And then I ordered these guys. So these are the famous TikTok Amazon leggings that everybody has been wearing, and I actually wore them yesterday to the gym, and I felt so weird because I'm like, oh my god, it's literally like the little scrunch up your butt, so it makes your butt like very enhanced. And I just felt like embarrassed because I'm like, oh my god, they probably think I'm out here trying to like literally show my ass off, but it is what it is. But these make your ass look so good, it's crazy. So this is how they look. They're cute. They're like, they have like a gray band, and then the back has like that little scrunch in the back, and these fit so good. They're perfect. Let me see what size these are. I believe, oh, I ordered these in a large just in case, but they fit perfect, honestly. They're super cute. They like, it feels like a wedgie, but it's not. It's so weird, but they're cute, they're cozy. I feel like since they're like gray and white, I wear it with a white top. I think I wear it with a gray hoodie and white sneakers to the gym, and it just looks super cute. I'm trying to like switch it up a little bit to the gym just because I have so much activewear, but everything is black. Like you guys seen the leggings previously I showed you guys. I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. Not anything bright because I don't really like bright colors, but switch it up and like do different things like this. But these are cute. These are a must. If you have a little butt as well, I feel like these will look super good because they'll just make it like a little bubble butt, and it'll be super cute. Okay, so I ordered these tops because everybody was raving about them and saying that they were like dupes for Skims. So I'm like, I need these, and I got them. So I ordered this top, super cute. It's like a white bodysuit. It's super stretchy, and it has like a double layer to it. It looks really cute. What size did I order? Oh, I ordered a medium. It looks like it's kind of big, but I hope it isn't. I'm gonna try it on for you guys in a bit, but the quality seems like it's amazing. It has good stretch to it. The only thing I say that I don't like about it is that the back is not like a thong, but we can work with it. This is like something that I want to be wearing like on the daily, which is why I got black and white, and hopefully it fits perfect. I'm gonna show you guys the black one. I'm just throwing things. This is what the black looks like. It's super cute. Same size, same texture, same everything. So I'm super excited to try these out. And I know these are gonna be like my daily go-to because I'm always wearing black. I'm always wearing dark colors. Brown has been my new favorite color. And yeah, I feel like these are gonna come in handy so much because every day I'm like looking like, oh, what should I wear after the gym? And I'm always wearing activewear, but I'm like, I want to like spice it up and make it like more cute, but still like very casual and like you know, I love like my athleisure vibes, so I love that. I'll probably be wearing these with joggers, tights, sneakers, and all of that. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified for the next time I post a video. I appreciate you guys so much. Everything will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry.